This video is a very brief tour of the Blackboard site, so you will know where everything is. So the first thing that you will see when you click on the Introductory Microbiology Blackboard site is the announcements page. I don't have any announcements yet, but there will be. Underneath announcements, there is faculty information. You can find things out about me, like where my office hours are and when. Below that, we have the detailed schedule and the syllabi. So you can see here is the detailed schedule, and for whatever reason it is really tiny. And so we can click on this to blow it up big, and of course it's not cooperating. But normally you would see it bigger, and you can also download it. And now we've lost it. But if you ever come in and can't see an embedded document, you can always click here, and that will take you to my OneDrive account where you can go ahead and view whatever the item is. In this case, we have the detailed schedule. You'll want to check that frequently. It can possibly change. Below that, I've got the syllabus. Make sure you read through that. I've got a quiz. And below that is the CWI institutional syllabus. Let's see, after the syllabus and schedule, I have units of study and weekly assignments. So the first thing you'll see is this quiz. I want you to take this first off. Basically, it gives me an idea of where the class is, and I will compare that to a quiz that I'll have at the end of the semester to see how well the class has improved. Don't worry, it doesn't matter what you put, you'll get full points. But make sure you do that first. And then below that, I've got this tour and an introduction to me. And then you will see the chapters as they open up. We call these units of studies. So if I click on that, then off to the left here, you can see a menu of everything that is in this folder. Basically, I want you to go through these items in order, and you can do that two different ways. You can either go over here to the right upper corner and click through them one at a time. But say I've been going over some of this, I took a break, I came back, you can click on wherever you want to go to next. And at the very bottom, I have assignments for points. So make sure you go through what I call the lecture elements. I've got recorded lectures, I've got some things for you to read or reminders to read in your textbook, and then you'll be ready to do the assignments. Now there are some assignments that are not bound to any one chapter. So I have them under exams and poster submission. So right now, you won't find an exam, but this is where you will find the exams when they're available. But you will also find the link for submitting your micro posters, and if you need to resubmit it if you need to fix the citations. And I have plenty of information on what that project is. Below that, I have a link for groups. For the micro poster, I want you to sign up for groups so you can take a look at when your poster will be due and the microbes that you can sign up for. Let's see, below that we have my grades. This has all of the assignments that will be open, what the points are for them. You can see that this one is not worth any points because it is basically a makeup assignment. Once you have successfully submitted an assignment, you will see, instead of a dash, you will see a little exclamation point, and that means that I need to grade it. Once I grade it, you will see a score here, so you can see what you got out of the points possible. And then you can also click on the points to see my comments. Also, for those assignments that have a rubric, you can click on the rubrics before you even start the assignment and see how I'm going to grade it. Below that, there's the button for the course evaluation. That will come eventually. And below that, we have tools. So there is information on just about everything that you could possibly want to know about Blackboard and all sorts of other good stuff. So I would definitely take advantage of that. Well, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer them.